Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to create a couple of functions. We're going to use Regex, so we need to import Regex first and import time as well, because we'll probably use that. So if the characters aren't present in the password that we type in, then we're not going to save it. And we're going to save the password to a list. Let me just pop this up here to make this a little easier to work with. So we're going to save it to a list. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Very important. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. Okay, let's start. So I'm going to create the list called new password. Okay, so that's an empty list. I'm going to create the first function called create password. Okay, so print tell the user must contain number plus underscore plus capital. So when the user's typing in their password, it must contain a number, an underscore, and a capital. Right, so I'm going to do pw variable, which is password, is equal to import, and let's get a password off the user. Okay. Now we're going to do the conditional. So if re.search, this is the regex, and this here is for the decimal password, and re.search this here is for the underscore pw and re.search okay, and this is going to be for capitals A to Z, PW, let's just close that off like that. Okay, so we're going to search through the string for a digit, for an underscore, and for capitals in there. And if we find that, we can print something. We can say to the user, password is okay, so we're good to go there. And let's have a look. Let's do another one. Print updating. Okay. And then what we're going to do with this password, we're going to store it in this list here called new password. So we do that by saying the list name new password dot append. And that's going to be PW here, what the user entered into the input box. Okay, then we'll just print another message for the user, updated. Okay, and what we're going to do is I'm going to print it out for them so they can see that the password has actually gone into the new password list. So I'm going to do that, updated. And that's going to be new password. Okay. And now we're going to create another function called password length. Okay, so we'll just create this down here. Whoops. Create the function password length here. Oh dear, I forgot to put the else in here. Sorry, I should have done that. Else. Okay, so else we're going to say print you might be missing a character or two or all. Okay. And we'll give them the chance to go back and do that again. So we'll send them back to the beginning. We'll create password here, which will send them back to the top, and they can start the process all over again. Okay, so we've got the password length here, and we're going to tell the user what the length of the password is. So print password length is. Okay. So I'll do this one too, like that. Looks better. I'm going to do a time.sleep here. So I'm going to give it a 1 second pause. So it looks like the program is working away, and then we're going to print it out to them. So this is how we do it. So we print and we do len here, which is the length method. So, and then the new password. Okay, starting from 0 there. Right, okay everybody, all I have to do now for this is just to call it and save it. So we call it by create password. Then let's just save it. Where's the save gone? There it is. And let's run it. Okay, so let's just must contain a number, underscore and a capital. So I'm going to say capital M X1 underscore U. Okay, password is okay, updating. There's the password that's been successfully stored in the list, and the password length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's type in a bum password. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. Okay, so you might be missing a character or two or all. So they've given you the chance to go and enter your password again. So there you go. That's the end of that. So I hope you enjoyed that and found it useful. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do it now. And I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.